One up. Come here. Come here. You have to do it on the table. Come on, step up. Basketball. Maggie, basketball. Maggie. Maggie. Basketball. Good job. Okay, so she wants to be... She finds the most comfortable way for herself. Okay, that's fine. She doesn't like to be on the table. It's too cold for her. Okay, basketball? No, not good job. Come on. Basketball? No. Basketball? No. You have to put it in the hoop right here. Maggie? Right here. Basketball? Good job. That's a good girl. Basketball? No. Basketball? No. There you go. One more time. Basketball? Good job. I'm so sensitive. Hold on. Okay, I have to figure out what to put here so you can be comfortable, little princess. Basketball? Good. You're such a beautiful girl. So smart. So smart, Maggie. Okay, basketball? Good girl. Basketball? Good job. Basketball? No. Basketball? No. Philip is bothering you? He's calling you? No. You have to go straight into the hoop. That's a good girl. Excellent job, Maggie. Let's do this one more time. Basketball, yes. Yes. No, don't touch that. Let's do basketball. No. Do it again. Good job, Maggie. High five. Good job. You want to do this again? Yes? Okay. Basketball. Yay! 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 You want to do basketball again? Yeah? Okay. Okay, here you go. Basketball. Good girl. High five, Maggie. Good job. More basketball? Okay. Basketball. Good job, Maggie. High five. Good job. High five. Oops, basketball. High five. Yes. You made it into the hoop. I'm gonna buy you a new hoop. Yes, because this one's falling apart. Good girl. Very good girl. Maybe you want to go onto the table now and do it on the table? Let's see. Basketball. Basketball. Good girl. Yes. No, you don't like it. You just don't like it. I have to put something on the table. It's too cold, right? Let's try this again. It's not that cold. Here. Basketball, Maggie. Basketball? No, you didn't make it. Do it again. Basketball? She just hates it. Good job, Maggie. You're such a smart girl. You're such a smart girl. My baby. You're my baby. Turn. The other way. The other way. Good. You want more basketball? Okay. Basketball. Good job. Now you're in love with basketball? Basketball. Yes. Yes. Again? Basketball. Good girl. Enough? No, that's enough, Maggie. Enough. You want to do colors? Yes? Okay. Let's do colors. Okay? Yes? Dancing? You want to be dancing? How about singing? Can Maggie sing? Can you sing? Maggie. Спой, Масечка. Как Мэггичка поет? Как Мэггичка поет? Maggie. How do you sing? Спой. Спой, Масечка. Как ты поешь? Ну? Maggie. No, she wants to do basketball. That's all she wants to do. What does the doggy say? Dog. Maggie. Dog. No? Okay. Basketball? She's definitely having fun with this. Okay. Good girl. Good girl. More? Good job, Maggie. Shake hands. Shake hands. Shake hands. Another hand. Give me left foot. Give me right foot. Good job. Maggie the eagle. Eagle. Maggie. Maggie, 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 eagle, Maggie, Maggie, орел, eagle, орел, орел. Good job. She's just stoked on this basketball now. What does the dog say, Maggie? What does the dog say? No, that's Maggie dancing, dancing. Yes. Dancing. Maggie dancing. High five. That's enough for one day. Bye. Bye. Wave. Bye. Good girl. Philip is going crazy.